Hey guys, I will just make a short description on how I have connected my drone cell to my APM 2.5 board. I will also show you how it works in the mission planner. As you can see, the drone cell I have placed on the top. I also have an extra power supply, 5 volt, 5 amps, that only supplies the drone cell. I have the TX-RX connection cables here, which are connected to the UART2 connectors on the APM board. I also this connector, which is connected to the power switch pin, which actually auto boots the drone cell, so you don't need to push the power button during startup. On the computer side, I have the broadband connection here, which actually gives me Wi-Fi connection to my computer. And in the code, I have just made a very simple function. I have put all the AT commands in one function, and that function I have put under the super slow loop, for those of you that are interested in that, as you can see there. And it works very well, so let's try to connect. Let's put the power on. As you can see, the APM flashes and it goes steady. When it goes steady, it means that it's reading my function with all the AT commands, and it's actually sending all the AT commands to the drone cell board for the moment. I'm using 1.5 seconds between each line, so it takes a little while, but it's okay. Okay. Now it starts flashing again, and the lights, the LEDs are normal. That means that it's finished. So let's try to connect on the computer side. I have already connected the broadband unit, so it should be connected. I'm using the UDP protocol. I also tried the TCP and it works very well, but I think the UDP is the best for this purpose. So let's try to connect. As you see, it starts getting all the parameters. It's maybe a little bit slower than when you use the USB connection, but it's not too bad. Okay, we are then online. Even though I'm inside, I got the GPS signal. As you see, the data is streaming very well, and the update frequency is not so bad. And also, if I use my, I don't know if you can see this, but if I turn my copter, maybe I should turn it sideways, and you can see it's actually not so bad, huh? I probably had about 50 flights with it, with this configuration, and it works very well. I have never had one connection fault or error, and I'm using during flight. I always use this page, and I set all the modes from this page, control my speed and altitude and which mode, and I also use this page to set where I want to fly. So that's probably it. as you see, this works very well. And my next project is to get this camera mounted, and hopefully a picture streamed through the cellular network as well. And hopefully I will have this picture in the head. You see there are an option that you can set the source, the source of the head, and hopefully I'm able to put the video in this picture. That would be nice, but I don't know if the network can handle that much data, but I will try. Okay folks, that's probably it. Bye.